Oh, hey guys and girls. I went down to the scrapyard today with my brother. It's a Monday today. He's not on his course today, with it being half term or something like that. And as you can see, got some a nice DC meter there, all the way up to half an amp. Quite nice. A nice RPM gauge, which only goes up to 2,400, but that's pretty cool all the same. It's great for like a wind turbine or something. And a very nice temperature gauge there with an alarm built into it and things. And I've actually got the probe for that as well. It's outside that. So and it goes all the way up to 1,200 centigrade, which is lovely and hot. It would be so good, in fact, that I could put it on the new workshop heater, which, as you can see, is huge. And as we found out today, it is massively overrated for this back room in this garage. Hugely overrated. But it'll do for us. Also, my brother seems to think, who's in here at the moment. We've also started making a grow room. No, we're not, guys and girls. We're just doing it for insulation. It's pretty cold in here, so we're filling the recesses in with polystyrene and whatever we can find. Some insulation, and we're just covering it with some tin foil. Brother's idea. He seems to know what he's doing. I don't know. I would have just left it as it is because I'm just me. I'm lazy like that. But whatever. It'll do. And yeah, I've still got the welding clamps stuck into it. We just ran out of welding wire. It's the right troll, that. This welding wire has lasted us about since 2010, hasn't it? Because I was welding my Vauxhall Corsa with that stuff.
Yeah.
In fact, that's been on every car. That welding wire. So yeah, we just ran out of it. As you can see, the door is just about, well, the door's a bit off. That's not how it's going to work. But yeah, you've got some bits of wood in there and stuff. Look,
We've had that cast iron grate glowing.
Yeah, the cast iron grid in the bottom, which is quite a thick grid, we've had that glowing. That's how hot it's been getting. It's been getting real nice. But of course, you can't open it now, so you have to kick it open. I haven't put handles on it yet or anything. This is just a testing thing. And the design of the ash pan, if you check out my other video of this thing being burnt, where I've just got the top, I've actually welded it together now because it just releases pressure out of it, and it wasn't good. We've got it on the fan, so that's all right. Going through the flue. The ash pan itself is on little clips, which is all melted off. As you can see, that's what it does. Then you just take it off, and there's one on the other side, and the whole thing unclips. Nice and good. Like I say, decommissioned 47 kilogram. Ooh, there we go. I've got a message or something. 47 kilogram decommissioned propane canister. This was. We had to buy it from the people who melt them down because nobody else would sell them. So you have to go all that way back so you can buy one. And they put power saw bloody marks in it. They've put it in the back, thankfully. So we just welded them power saw marks up, and jobs are good, and it'll do for us. It'll never see propane again, apart from the stuff that lights it, the fire that goes inside it. Yeah, that's good enough for us. We're just got to make some form of handle on it on the door, and it'll be fine. So we've got a nice flat surface that we can put cups of tea on, or whatever. Cups of soup, which is what I always have. I can even heat my soup up on that. Lovely. That'll work great, that one. But as you can tell, it is massively overrated, so keep the fires small. It's actually quite good because it doesn't really use that much wood. Because you only need to put a really small fire in it, you hardly have to use any wood at all. It's fantastic. So as you can see, there's no ventilation holes in it or anything yet at the moment. We're just going to drill 2 holes in the bottom. Maybe put a butterfly thing on it, so you can vary the amount of air that goes in the bottom. I don't know. Whatever. But it's only going to be a slow burn. We don't want it to burn the stuff too fast. The door, okay, it's a bit of a shame it leaks like hell, but we're just going to leave it as it is, I think. We're not going to bother seeing it that much. It's nice to see the flames through the crack in the door. It's not going to leak, obviously, because it's sucking air in. through that. Our biggest concern actually, wasn't it, was the ash pan not sealing nicely.
Yeah.
But that seems to make that good a seal. It actually causes problems, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It
Flaring up.
it seals that well. The smoke would build up in it, and it would flare up, and it would seal again. And then where the smoke meets the door, it would get the right consent of smoke and and oxygen, and it would flare up. And yeah, so like I say, I think 2 holes in the bottom of the ash pan or something, just in the side, will be just enough to stop that from happening. But yeah, really good. I'm really happy with the thing at the moment. It's quite nice. But yeah, like we say, it's a little bit too big for in here. But like I say, whenever I do work on the cars and things, we can just have the 2 doors open, because that's a door as well. This thing here, you don't think it is a door, but it is a door. And we can have those 2 doors open, and then have the whole garage heated up, which is nice. Yeah, good stuff. I didn't expect it to work as well as it did do, to be fair, but it does. It works quite well. But yeah, I was just welding this top bit here. I managed to get that bit done. I was just welding this top bit here, and just as I got to here, the weld ran out, the wire, so typical. Oh well. Right, guys and girls, I think that's about it. Nothing else to report, I don't think. Oh, I've got the sound system in here. So I've got the that one in here with some crappy speakers. I've got the Celestian speakers out here temporarily. I want to put them up. I want to put one over there on on a bit of a shelf that I can take off, so I can still open the door. And I want to put the other one just over there somewhere, so I can have 2 nice big speakers while I'm working on my car in here or something, when this back room gets cleared out. Push bikes and everything in here. Caravan air conditioning units and stuff. And yeah, I can work in here with the music going. That'd be nice. Still not sold that strimmer yet. I'm actually trying that and seeing how well it starts. It's been stood there for a week or so. So I'm going to try it and see how good it starts. Hey Ali, you don't mind just holding this foam for me, would you? Or is it all buried? It looks like it's all buried. I don't think I can be bothered to get it to fish it out. Nah, it's not that. I was going to try and start the strimmer up, but
That's a bit late now.
yeah, true. Anyway, guys and girls, that's it. I'll catch you all later, and yeah, we're gonna go and get something to eat. I think. Yeah, the compressor's working nice. So yeah, peace out.